daawwattoota chaanaalii Akkoo English with Afaan Oromoo akkam nagaa qabdu baga jiraattan guys. Kuni kilaasii spookanii bifa haarawaatiin guyyaa hunda torbaanitti gaafa kiixataa kan isinii dhiyaatudha guys. Spookanii hadhaakeetti maaliin jalqabna? Maal barachuu barbaadan? Especially kilaasiin kun namoota levelii Ingiliffaa jiran hundayyuu kan dhuunfataa jechuudha. Dursatti beginners level ilaala. Ittaansine intermediate ilaala. Ittaansine advanced ilaala. Dhumarratti ammoo namoonni kun marti naaf hin ta'u. Ani slang barbaada. Greeting slang barbaada jedhaniif dhumarratti isiniif qabadee dhiyaadha jechuudha. Hanga dhumarratti yoo hojii turtan dhugaa rabbi barumsa ajaa'ibaa irraa barattan. Kanaaf yoo beginners taate yookaan immoo Ingiliffaaf jalqabee yookaan ta'u taate hin jejjeriin kan intermediate fayyadamuu hin fiigin tasgabbaa'iti levelii keetiin deemiti suuta baradhu. Yoo immoo intermediate taate yookaan immoo Ingiliffi keetiin qophaa'ee ta'e elementary phrase yookaan immoo kilaasii beginners fayyadamuu dhiisi. Yoo immoo advanced taate yookaan immoo intermediate taate advanced fayyadamuu dhiisiti levelii keetiin deema jechuudha. Ingiliffaan darajaa qaba jechuudha. Tartiib qaba jechuudha. Kanaaf namoonni Ingiliffaaf haaraa taatan yookaan immoo Ingiliffaaf jalqaba taatan kilaasii kun isiniif akkasumas intermediate akkasumas advanced namoonni hundiyyuu keessatti fulaatan jechuudha. Dhumarratti dialoogii advancedhaan isiniif dhiyeessa yookaan immoo dialoogii slangiidhaan isallee qabadhee isiniif dhiyaadha jechuudha. Hanga xumuratti hojjetan baay'ee fayyadamtan jedhee yaada. Please stay with me till the end of the video. Let's dive in, guys. First, guys, what is greeting means? Greeting is machu, guys. Greeting is salamat echu. Okay, greeting is machu salamat echu. When we define this word is in English, as scholar defines, we can say the word greeting means is a word, or you can say sometimes it's a part of phrases that used to say hello or hi to somebody else or to someone else. Right? That's greeting, guys. Or simply we can say in short, saying hello. Or you can say saying hi, right? Greeting jechuun walumaa galatti jechuudha. Phrase yookaan immoo jecha gabaabaa yookaan immoo eeraa jechuudha. Nama tokkoon yookaan immoo nama tokko yeroo agartu jechuudha. Salaamatiin jettu maalama? Greeting jechuudha. Kanaaf greeting jechuun is part of salutation. Okay? Salutation illee jedhama. Or you can say greeting illee jedhama jechuudha. Kanaaf greeting maal akka ta'e hagas yookaan saate topic in maayidha is greeting with responses. Deebii isaallee walumaa laalee jechuudha. Namni tokko si gaafate yookaan immoo salaamatti yeroo si gaafate akkamitti deebisa kan illee walumaa laalee jechuudha. Alright. Now let's start with the beginners level, guys. Jalqabarratti kan laalu maayidha warroota beginners jedhaniif jechuudha. Ati beginners jechuun Ingiliffaaf jalqabee yookaan taate phrase shanan yookaan immoo afran kana keessaa tokko fayyadamu bakka. Kana bira hin dabre. Alright. Hiriyaan kee tokko yo hi sin jedhe chalisi hi jedhin, right? Simply hey, hi, that's it. Enough bakanga. Hi, inga baka. So the response of hi is what? It's just hi. There's no another response for this one, guys. Okay, so the best response for the word hi is what? Hi. Okay, the best response for the phrase or for the word hi is what? Is hi. Just hi. Baka. Nemi to hi sinjid hi didin baka. Mate jere chu. Kaitano yo hello sinjid. Hey mister. Hello. Yo sinjid. Say simply what? Hello. Jadin jere si baka. Hello. You see, guys? Hello. Ingalas chu baka. All right. Sarafaratamo yo yeroon isaa waqtii ganamaa kan ta'u taate maybe good morning jechuudha. This what is good morning. Okay, good morning. Okay, we can say good morning. It's okay. That doesn't matter, guys. Okay, grammatically it is correct. You can say good morning. It's great. It's okay. But you better say that. Like native speakers say that. Just when you pronounce this word, is mostly we are silence G, guys. G can magona silence gonna, so you can say good morning. Can say good morning. That's it. Good morning. Tikishu gara informal rata hata uti G san silent gochuala. Okay? Can say hey, good morning. Don't say good morning. What the hell? You see, guys? So, good morning. That's so ugly, man. Good morning. Bakanga. Demi gatile mada? You see what? Good morning. Okay, Demi size my children. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, right? Good evening. Good evening, right? All right. Kay tanu expression sa paano ko mo galing sa pamada? How are you? I think everybody knows this one, right? Yeah. How are you? How are you? Can say how are you? You see? How are you? Hey, how are you, man? Hey, bro, how are you? Or you can say how are you? Okay, that's depending on your English level. Can say how you, right? How you how you? Or just make it clear. Just make it just a plain English like how are you? How are you? Alright. Name takuyo how are you sindire? Devin say robai leveli gadana kentimada can say I'm fine, thank you, right? Yeah, the negative the can rhyme to how are you injure? You can say I'm fine, thank you, and you. You see? I'm fine, thank you, and you. I'm fine, thank you, and you. I'm fine, thank you. I'm Nigakawa. Thank you, Gala Tommy. And you. Okay? Just can I know the business guys here about any debisame. Okay? I'm fine, thank you. You see? I'm fine, thank you. It's not thank you. See guys, I'm fine, thank you. Okay? Voiceless statue. Okay? I'm fine. I can't do natural. Okay, before kind of this is sound is I kind of a cut. You see? Okay, before kind of update, sagale see kind of case I got you. Okay, thank you. Alright? You're by a Zak and a Karawan Buna Kanafi Kalama Fasnijaju. Right? Kanafa sa you're by a kind of barefama. Kanafi na kuni vibrate kabachu. Okay, like you know, mother the okay, mother, father, another the right? Kanafi nan Yero jetting a dubin Karaman to Bunatu, Zak and a Karaman to Bunatu. Tokofa, okay, Arabic can do a good passage. Then find more, as it vibrator, you can more, Sagale against. So you can say, I'm a typical Barbanamada, a Calabana to Saudi Calabana. This is what? This is voiceless and none. Sagale sa laugh at you. You can more vibrate up to Kunamomada, voiced attitude. Okay, in the gay side. Can have a none. Thank you, alright? I'm fine, thank you, and you. This is and you. Okay? But sometimes you don't you can say, I'm fine, thank you, and you. Okay? You buy informal but then you can say, I'm fine, thank you, and you. I'm fine, thank you, and you. But you better say that I'm fine, thank you, and you. Okay, can I have end that and then okay? I'm fine, thank you, and you. Alright. My friend, I'm fine, thank you, and you. Okay? How are you? I'm fine, thank you, and you. And Nakaba, get it to me, and you. At your 9, Martin Steph. You can say, I'm great. You can say, I'm fine too. It's okay. Doesn't matter. You can say, I'm great. I'm great. Hey, man, how are you? I'm fine, thank you, man. I'm great. I'm fine. I'm cool. See, guys, I'm cool. I'm great. I'm fine. You see, I'm great. Thank you. I'm great. Thank you. Kuni guys, kana one oroni level sani beginner stani tifara kana ala baina baka singa kanin ke sa to ko fere baka kanin yote saati sat fere kana ra kan have kanin mo yero riya ke to ko agar te bakar bare tuchura kamar bad ke sa fere michu level ke te ala hindemin itti da qabda chu me kun yoro te level fiyo kan to taate me oroni intermediate hala kamin ha salamat wal gafatan wal man kallal ta chu da stay with me